All right, guys, welcome to Lesson 15 Fluency. We are going to start by activating your brains today. Remember, this video should only take the time that it takes to play the entire video. There's no need to press pause. I'm just trying to get your brain started in thinking about math. So you might want to have a whiteboard or pencil paper so that you can write some of these things down quickly as you're trying to solve them. I would like to take some word form, expanded form, and unit form and have you convert those into standard form today. So that's what we're going to practice. So I'm going to clear the page and I'm going to write a number in expanded form, and I would like you to go ahead and put it back together. All right. Go ahead and put this number that's in expanded form back together. And really, when you see these units, you can be like, well, there's hundreds, tens, ones, so I know that I'm just looking at the value of each place, so it's 423 and 1/10. But you got to be careful with that, because if I did something like this, 500 plus 6 plus 6/10 plus 300s, you could get yourself in trouble if you just thought like, well, what's the digits and I'll just work from there. You actually have to understand the values. We can see there's hundreds, there's ones, tenths, and hundreds, but what did we miss? There's no tens. So when we put this number back together, we have to be careful to not represent any tens. And then there we have 506 and 63 hundreds. 506, 63 hundreds. Great. Okay, let's do a couple more expanded form real quick. Let's go into the thousands place. Thousands to thousandths. So 6,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1 plus 0.8 plus, oh, give myself some more room, Mr. Briggs, 0.07, and oh, I ran out of space. Come on. Get me in my mouse tool and let me shrink this real quick. It's supposed to be fast and accurate, and I'm spending time shrinking stuff. Come on. 6,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1 plus 8/10 plus 700 plus 0.009 9 thousandths. So put it together. Well, there's 6,000s, there's 400s, there's 2/10s, there's 1/1. There's our decimal, because we're now into the parts. We have 8/10, we have 700s, and 9 thousandths. Make sure that your decimal doesn't look like a comma like mine did. All right. So that was some expanded form practice. Let's go ahead and do some word form practice. $300. Oops, that's a number, not a word. 20. And remember, that's an important word. And 300. Let's do 320 on each side. 320,000. All right, while I'm writing all these words down, go ahead and convert it. Well, the word and, this is where our decimal is, right? So 320, well, that looks like this. And then we put our decimal. Well, they want 320 thousandths, so 320 thousandths. You could have also represented that as 32 hundredths, because that is the exact same answer. Because when I do that, you can see that we have 320 thousandths. Perfect. All right, let's do, it takes too long for me to write all the words down, so let's start doing some unit form conversions. So 400s, 6/10, 5 thousandths. Now I skipped a few units. Oh my goodness, Mr. Briggs just keeps running out of space. So we have hundreds, tenths, thousands. So I see those are my parts. So my decimal is going to go between these two. But 400s, well, that's 400 and 6 tenths and 5 thousandths. They didn't say anything about hundreds, so I need to put a 0 in the hundreds and represent the 5 in the thousandths place. Let's do that one more time, and then we'll be done warming our brains up for this lesson. Let's do 8 thousandths, 4 hundredths, 3 ones, 8 hundredths. I'm trying to trick you here, FYI, and 7 thousandths. So you see where the parts are, right? You see thousandths, hundredths. You see our parts. So that's where our decimal is going to go. Let's think about this number. 8,000, so 8 in the thousandths place. Well, we got 4 in the hundreds place. 3 in the ones place, so there's nothing in the tens place. There's our decimal because I see hundredths. Well, I know it goes tenths first, so 0 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds, 7 in the thousands. So our answer is 8,403 and 87 thousandths. All right, nice job. On to the concept development video. See you over there.